Lieutenant Colonel Adrian Eichhorn. Lieutenant Colonel Adrian A. Eichhorn was born in Stuttgart, Germany on December 14, 1955, while his father served in the U.S. Army. His family returned to Michigan in 1963. Eichhorn earned a Bachelor of Science in Engineering from Michigan Tech and began a 20-year career in the U.S. Army. His aviation career includes more than 25,000 flight hours across airline, corporate, and federal operations. As a contract pilot for the FAA and NASA, he regularly flew presidential cabinet members and astronauts. In 2016, he completed a solo round-the-world flight in his Beach Bonanza, followed by a non-stop flight over the North Pole in 2021. The FAA named him National Safety Counselor of the Year in 2001 and National Aviation Technician of the Year in 2016. Today, Eichhorn continues to advocate for aviation safety as a published author and podcaster. For his service and contributions to military and civil aviation, Adrian Eichhorn is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.